Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which says for alpha, beta, gamma belongs to real number, let A equals this. So, they have mentioned matrix A, matrix B as this if trace of A equals to trace of B. So, let's try to handle this situation. Trace of A equals trace of B. You know that trace means what? Sum of all the elements. So, can I write alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square equals to 2 alpha, 2 beta, 2 gamma minus 3. I'll ask everyone to come one side. So alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square minus 2 alpha minus 2 beta minus 2 gamma plus 3. So if you'll observe, we have alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square. So we should have 2 alpha beta, 2 beta gamma, 2 gamma alpha. But it is not like that. But we have 2ab. So hopefully we can manage. So it is minus 2ab. Okay. So minus 2ab means what? A square plus b square minus 2ab. So can I consider a square minus 2a? Who is b? B is 1. So we need b square. So we will take 1 square. We will take 1 from here. We have 3. So we have taken 1. Now again a square minus 2ab. So plus b square. We will take one more 1 from 3. And we still have 1. Plus a square minus 2 gamma plus 1 square. So it is okay. Correct? Now can I write alpha minus 1 whole square plus beta minus 1 whole square plus gamma minus 1 whole square equals to 0? Now you know that something square plus something square plus something square is equal to 0, and you also know that square of anything will be greater than equal to 0. So this situation will be true only if this is 0 square, this is 0 square, this is 0 square. Okay, this means if alpha minus 1 is 0, this means alpha is 1, beta is 1, and gamma is 1. We need to find out what? 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 1 by gamma. 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 1 by gamma. You know it is 1 by 1, 1 by 1, 1 by 1. So it is 3. Hence the required number is 3. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.